What are my legal rights if my employer doesn't pay my wages? Imagine working hard all week and then finding out your paycheck never arrived. That can be frustrating and stressful, but you do have rights. If your employer doesn't pay your wages, federal and state laws are there to protect you and help you get what you are owed. First, you are entitled to receive full payment for all hours you worked. This includes your regular wages, minimum wage, overtime pay, and any bonuses or holiday pay you agreed on. Employers are legally required to pay at least the federal minimum wage, which is currently set at a certain amount per hour, and overtime, which is usually time and a half for hours worked over 40 in a week. State laws may set higher standards, so it's good to check your local rules. If your employer hasn't paid you properly, start by keeping detailed records. Write down the dates you worked, how many hours, your pay rate, and any conversations about your pay. This proof can be very helpful if you need to take legal action later. Next, try speaking directly with your employer. Sometimes mistakes happen, and they can fix the issue quickly once they are aware. If talking doesn't work, you can file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Labor's Wage and Hour Division. Many states also have their own labor departments where you can report unpaid wages. These agencies will investigate your claim and can help recover your wages if they find violations. If the issue remains unresolved, you have the option to sue your employer in court. You can do this on your own or join others in a class action lawsuit if many employees are affected. Courts can order your employer to pay back wages, plus additional damages, which are often double the amount owed, and sometimes cover your legal costs. It's important to know that you are protected from retaliation. If your employer tries to punish you, fire you, or harass you after you ask for your wages, you may have a separate legal claim for retaliation. The time limit to file a wage claim varies by state but is often several years. Acting quickly is important to preserve your rights. Remember, laws are designed to make sure workers are paid fairly and to hold employers accountable. If you win your case, you might also recover your legal fees, making it easier to pursue your rights without worrying about costs. So, if your employer doesn't pay your wages, you have the right to get paid what you are owed, file complaints, and even take legal action. Keep records, act promptly, and don't hesitate to stand up for your rights.